In this video, I'll be showing you what comes in the Happy Rain Cloud kit and how to put it together. Here is everything that comes in the kit. I like to start with the right angle slide switch and use the battery that came with the kit to support the board while I solder. Start with the top hole and work your way down, making sure not to use too much solder so you don't bridge any of the pads. Next, I solder in the LEDs. There is an outline of the LED on the board to tell you which direction the LED should be facing. Match the flat side of the LED to the flat side of the outline. Another way I remember which way the LED goes is to look at the legs. The long leg goes in the bottom hole and the short leg goes in the top hole. I start with the two outer LEDs. This is where I use something of similar height to the LEDs to prop up the opposite side of the board. After it's propped up and the LEDs seem to be straight, I solder them into place and clip off the legs. Then I repeat all of those steps with the middle LED. Lastly, I solder in the battery holder. The holes that the battery holder legs go through is small so that the battery holder will snap into place. I use the solder pretty liberally because the solder joints are also the rain cloud's pupils and I want them to look nice and smooth. I take some isopropyl alcohol and a Kim wipe or Q-tip to clean off the residue left by the no-clean solder. Now I place the battery in the battery holder, making sure the positive side is facing up towards me. Here are the three different attachment options the kit comes with.